Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the Grand Cache Advance refusing to install or update because of a not enough storage error? Here's the fix. First, go to your settings and go to iPhone storage and let the list load fully. Once it loads completely, this shows you exactly which apps are taking up the most space. Tap offload app on a few large apps you do not use often, which removes the app but it keeps its documents and data. Also, check photos and messages since large photo libraries and old messages attachments are common hidden hogs. Since once you feed up at least 1 to 2 gigabytes, go back to the App Store and try installing or updating the Grant Cache Advance again. If the error persists even with free space showing, restart your iPhone completely since a full restart resets how iOS calculates available storage and clears a stock storage cache. So all you've got to do is free up storage in iPhone, offload unused apps and a restart if needed. Grant installs and updates cleanly and that's it. Subscribe.